Looking to remodel, renovate, or completely rebuild your home? Finding a team you can trust is an important step in the process. Let's meet the family from Brooks Construction Group.
At Brooks Construction Group, we have 2 generations working here, my son and I. Growing up, Trey found a big interest in construction and building things, so he always went to work with me. He's my best friend. We get along great in business. We combine youth and experience to get a job done right.
With their intimate understanding of the insurance remediation industry and extensive knowledge in construction, Brooks Construction Group is your one-stop shop for all types of remodeling.
Brooks Construction Group makes the process as easy as possible by starting with working with the insurance company, taking out a lot of these stressful front ends, and then putting everything together to create your dream project from the damaged state all the way to a fully repaired state, while taking the stress, the issues that can really burden a project, and taking that off you with qualified team members that will take us from A to Z. What separates us is our in-depth knowledge of insurance, so when handling or working with your claim, we're able to see things and work with an insurance company in ways that another contractor is not able to. We always try and be upfront and honest with clients. Whenever we go into a project, we want to identify the things that other builders or other people may not have picked up to prevent any surprises as we go through a project. Even the smallest little ripple in a wood floor could actually indicate that there's a bigger issue going on, and that moisture that may have happened way on the other side of the house has worked its way under there and created an issue far down the road that at first glance doesn't even seem like it's a problem. But as we investigate further, we find that the water's traveled and again can be a future issue if not addressed properly.
From planning to execution, you'll spend a lot of time with your contractor, so it's crucial to trust them.
I had a friend that had referred me to someone else, and quite frankly, the person never even showed up. So not only has Trey and Brooks Construction been very forthright, but I mean, just the fact that they follow through on such detail is key. It really makes you feel at ease. I mean, they're right now, especially with the number of houses that got ruined, I can't imagine the people that are having the headaches that we almost got into with people that almost didn't even return your phone calls. So Brooks literally has, I think Trey has said he's been here, I think he comes every single day. So that's a big help. Trey has pretty much guided me through the whole process. I'm new to this process, and it's a new thing. If you're not used to it, it's good to have someone who can kind of guide you along the way, because there's a lot of details.
When your world is turned upside down from an unforeseen event, it's important to be partnered with a contractor beforehand.
At Brooks Construction Group, we're launching a new pilot program that answers one question. What is the point of having a great insurance company if you can't get a service provider? What we have done to try and answer this is have a list of VIP clients that in the event of a large catastrophe, like unfortunately we're too used to in Houston, you would be the first to be served and the first to be dried, remediated, and rebuilt. We're a family company. In office, that means that I'm working with my father, with my mother, my aunt, my college best friend. We're all together, we're very tight-knit, and that comes with a little bit of headbutting every now and then. But all in all, we're very tight, we're very close, and that's seen in the product that's given to our clients. They can sense the quality, they can sense the care, because everybody here is there with a common goal to make everything right.
Want to know more about Brooks Construction Group? Visit brooks-construction.com or designingspaces.tv.